How to find your order history on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to check your purchase records and payment details on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Orders and Payments to open your payment and order details. In the next step, you'll see your Meta Pay information along with any cards you have added to your account. Following this, tap on your card or Meta Pay to see more details about your payment method. Once done, scroll down to the Balances section where you'll find your Facebook Stars balance. If anyone has sent you stars during a live or video, the total will be shown here. From here, scroll down further to the Payment Information section and tap on Subscriptions to see a full list of all your active subscriptions on Facebook. At this stage, tap on the cart icon at the top right corner of the screen to see all the products you have added or are about to purchase. Finally, browse through each section to get a complete overview of all your orders, payments, and purchase history on Facebook. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you find your order history, give it a like. Subscribe for more Facebook tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.